Ooh, they're on my stomach.
First time down them in your RV, you're like, whoa.
We're out here at Palm Canyon with Mel Netty, Living Free Zip Code Lists, Weekend RVing, Scott Jacobson Appreciation, Fantastic Travels, Artist on the Road. But we're going in here at Palm Canyon. Look at palm trees. The only place palm trees grow in the state of Arizona, naturally. Somewhere my wife's here. I'm gonna go find her. What? Oh yeah. Where'd he? Oh, there you are. I thought, wow, he just disappeared. Hey, give me my walking stick. Hold on, I forgot my stick, Scott. Don't go that way. Go this way. There's pokey stuff in there. Hey, look at this. Look here. Hold on, let me go down to it. Wait. No. I found a broken heart.
A broken heart. Oh, the rock split.
Yeah, we go that way actually where she is.
Oh, me and Scott was actually on the trail.
Yeah, that's the right trail. Oh, this is
You're following the wrong. You're following the wrong people.
Hey, we're the only people I know that can get lost at a dead end.
We just walked in the circle.
Come on, Roy.
Yeah.
Where you going there? Standing right there?
Now which way do we go?
We seem to be in a predicament.
What are they, scared?
Oh, good idea. I didn't even think of that.
Ooh, look at that.
Yeah, this one's got me. Let go. God, everything on here's got pokies on it. Going.
Yeah, I think stay with the big rock, yeah?
Actually, don't get behind each other. This way's easy, Scott. Yeah. Yeah, this kind of is too. Kind of. Yeah, well, it's getting pretty steep.
I didn't see nobody.
Yeah, they all left us.
Fire ring.
Oh, there is. I still don't see him.
Yeah.
This is the view from Homer Simpson's mouth.
You know we gotta go down this.
Yeah, we do, don't we? And it's getting worse as we get higher.
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Yeah, I think this is probably about as high as we're gonna go.
Main trail again?
Yeah, I told you it wasn't the right one.
How do we get back up to
I
it?
think it dead ends right here too.
Is that it up there?
Yeah,
Where were we supposed to go?
we were on the right trail to start with. Wait, it keeps going.
There they are.
Yeah, they're right there.
We could beeline it to him if you want.
He keeps going. I don't know.
Throw my hand right into that ironwood.
Oh yeah. Don't do that.
Got me too.
Man, we didn't bring first aid kit with us either. Man. Don't get hurt.
The splinter.
Yeah, everything out here, man, it's got something that'll poke you.
Nice, dude. Look at this.
Oh, look at this.
Awesome.
I wish I wouldn't wear this freaking hoodie now. I should listen to you.
That's the problem. People don't listen to me, man. My wisdom is free. Look at that, man. Come on. That's an ankle grabber.
My question is, what the hell's it rooting? That tree must be.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, good, dude. Where's the trail?
I'm not even sure if we're on one. We gotta be. Because they're not out there.
Are we supposed to be over there?
No.
Look at that huge rock. Dude, I don't see the trail that they walked on the picture.
This has to be it, because look, there's nothing over there.
Maybe. Yeah, it must be. Oh, here we go. Yeah, this is it. Nice. Very nice.
Well, at least they was nice enough to cut some steps in for us. Oh, they cut the trail here too. Man, I would have loved to seen this stuff forming.
That would have been a fun ride.
Yeah. Would have been an awesome hike.
Take the high road or the low road?
I'm taking the high road. You take the low road. Look how they cut it though.
Got a little bit of creosote to work with down here.
Oh, look at this dome over here. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. It is a little cooler in here.
Yeah.
Because now I'm not regretting leaving the hoodie on.
You know?
Do what?
There's more of a breeze too.
Yeah. I'm kind of not regretting leaving the hoodie on now.
You can see the little hole over there.
Have we seen his stick when he put
Yeah.
his stick through?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's goat poo out here, so it's fresh.
That's whatever that is. Coyote Mountain. Probably.
Yeah, it was all looking nice.
Hey, here's a good question me and Scott always asked. Do mountain lions bury their poop?
Like a house cat?
Yeah, like a house cat.
There's
Yeah.
a mountain or a caveman markings right here.
Where?
They do.
There
But they still want to
petroglyph?
cover their
Right
land.
there. Probably
There's-
done last week.
Yeah, but there are supposed to be some out here though.
Hold on.
Something there.
And look, I wonder if people broke off what was over here to take home with them.
Probably. Yeah, it's like they have the spotlight on.
They said that when I looked it up. It said go towards the evening. And now departing.